Today, we'll be assembling a bathroom rack from Shopee. Hi guys, thanks for coming back to my channel. But if you're new here and since you've clicked the video, please hit the subscribe button as well. The item price ranges from 400 to 500 pesos, excluding the shipping fee because it depends on your location, voucher, and mode of shipping. I see that there are 4 color options for this: black, white, pink, and chrome. This is easy to assemble and no power tools or strength required, so let's begin. Take out the upper and lower brackets to begin assembly. Connect them with a screw, shim, and crossbar. Repeat the same process until all crossbars are connected to the other side of the rack. This 3-tier bathroom rack is ideal for small areas as it takes advantage of vertical space to provide more storage and organize bathroom essentials. Next, place the shelves on top of the crossbars. Hang the hooks as well. Then, cover the top of the pipes with these plastic caps. Finally, press the foot pad and screw cap into the bottom of the pipes. My initial plan was to put the washing machine under the rack because I thought it would fit since my washing machine is small, but sadly it won't fit, so I just stuck the gas tank in there instead. By the way, our house is just small. As you can see, our laundry area and kitchen are just a few steps apart. This is freestanding, but you can use these clasps and 3M double-sided adhesives to fix the bathroom rack to the wall. But for my rack, I didn't, so I can move it around. Back at my friend's house who just moved in, she is using these 3M tapes. She put this bathroom rack on top of her laundry baskets. She has more storage now for toiletries. By the way, the seller gave her this tissue paper holder as a freebie. Mine was this, where I can hang rugs and other household items. The seller of this item has no options for you to choose whether toilet rack or washing machine rack, so explore and find what's best for you. Here are the measurements, so feel free to pause this video to check it out. That's all for today. I hope you enjoy the process. If you do, please like, comment, subscribe, and see you in the next videos. Thanks for watching!